hi, good evening. Yes, Chiho, welcome back to my class. It's good to see you again. So, how are you
Hello.
doing today?
I'm doing well, thank
Wow,
you.
that's nice. Good to hear that. Okay, you're so happy today. Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe there was a surprise.
Surprise.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so I can see here it shows News Advanced 13. Is that
Mm,
right?
yes, yes.
Okay, the title is Coffee Can Help You Live Longer. I'm
Mm.
a coffee drinker. Are you a coffee drinker?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I drink a lot of coffee. All right, so let's have first the news article. Okay, so we're
Okay.
going to read these paragraphs.
Mm,
What do you want to do? Let's try to take
mm,
turns.
mm,
Should I read the first paragraph and you will
mm,
read the second paragraph? Is that okay for you?
mm, mm.
Okay.
It's okay.
All right, so let me start. I will read the first paragraph.
Mm,
Coffee can help you live longer. There's good news for coffee lovers. A new report claims that regular coffee drinkers may live longer than those who do not drink coffee. Researchers say there is a growing evidence that coffee benefits the health, makes you live longer, and reduces the risk of heart disease. Type 2 diabetes or other life threatening illnesses, and even suicide. The study was published by the American Heart Association. It looked at the coffee drinking habits of over 200,000 people who drank between 1 and 5 cups of coffee a day. Oh, not six. Six is not allowed. Researcher Dr. Frank Hu said this study provides further evidence that moderate consumption of coffee may confer health benefits in terms of reducing premature death due to several diseases. All right, please read the second paragraph.
Okay. Scientists have been working hard to analyze exactly what is in coffee that provides so many benefits to the health.
Mhm.
Thousands of reports in the past few decades have highlighted the positive effects it can have on the body.
Mhm.
Dr. Hood said it was still unclear pre-
Precisely.
see,
Precisely.
precisely
Mhm.
how elements within the coffee bean
Interact.
interact
Mhm.
interact with the body.
That's right.
He said coffee is a complex beverage. It's very difficult to pinpoint
Mhm.
which component of coffee is responsible for which benefit.
All right.
Researchers did not include highly caffeine drinks in the study.
Mhm.
They also pointed out that while coffee seems to have health benefits, added ingredients such as cream, sugar, and certain types of sweeteners
Mhm.
do not.
All right.
Mm,
Wow. I like
mm.
that voice.
Why?
Very, very sweet.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay. Let's just practice this one word here.
Mm,
Caffeinated.
caffeinated.
All right. From caffeine,
Uh,
right? Caffeinated. Caffeine. Yeah.
okay.
It's like that's the content of
Mm,
coffee, right? Caffeine.
mm-hmm.
Yeah. How many cups
Mm.
of coffee can you drink a day?
A day. I drink 2 or 3 cups of coffee.
Really? Only two or three? I think I
Yes.
can drink 5 or 6. That's why I
Mm.
I stopped a while ago when I noticed he said like
Mm.
1 to 5 only. 1 and 5 cups. Oh, so
Okay, I
six is no
see.
longer good. Yeah,
Mm.
sometimes I drunk like
Mm.
6 cups of coffee. Oh, it's not good
Mm.
anymore. All right. So let's have the second
Mm.
one. We have synonym
Mm.
much. Oh, by the way, do you have any questions with the article?
Oh, no questions so
All right.
far.
So let's have synonym much. So
Mm.
we're going to match the word in column A with their
Mm-hmm.
synonym on column B.
Mm.
All right. So we
Mm.
have here two
Okay.
columns. So okay, let's start with number one.
Mm.
Claims. Okay,
Claims
claims. What do you think is the synonym of the word claim?
is there F says
Letter F says is correct. Very good. Yes. How about number two? Evidence.
evidence is
Yes.
letter C.
Evidence is
Proof.
letter C. Proof.
Proof.
Yes, that's right. Okay, very good. Let's have number three, risk.
Risk
Number three,
is
risk. What about
is
number three, risk? Is it what?
is letter I. Possibility.
Letter I, possibility is correct. Wow. Okay. Nice one.
Okay.
Then let's have number four, farther.
Further is
Farther.
more. Letter E.
More. Letter E, more. Okay. Good job. How about number five? What is number five? It's premature.
Premature.
Premature. All right.
Premature
So it's
is
premature. Like
letter A. Untimely.
untimely. Yes. So premature death, untimely death. All right. Let's have number
Okay.
six. Exactly.
Exactly. Is
Exactly. What is the synonym for the word exactly?
precisely.
Letter
J.
J, precisely. Yes, that's right. How about highlighted? Highlighted. The word highlighted. It's
Is focused.
yes. If it's highlighted, it means focused. All right, very good. How about number eight, complex?
Complex is
Complex is
complicated.
yeah, just like the girls. They are complex. Complicated. Do you agree with that?
Yes, I agree with you.
Really? I was just
Yes,
joking. I was just joking.
that's true.
But if you agree, well, let's
Yes.
have it.
Mm.
Okay, and we have number nine, component. All right, component. Yes,
Component.
so component.
Letter B. Part.
Letter,
B.
did you say B?
B.
B part.
B.
Yes,
Yes.
so component is part. That's right. And of course, the last one, certain, is letter
Letter H.
H, particular.
Particular.
Yes, perfect. Wow, yasuminasai, miho. Ay, yasuminasai.
Miho.
Yasuminasai. Sorry, omedetou gozaimasu. Oh, my
Okay.
Japanese grammar is wrong. Omedetou gozaimasu.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, good job. Now let's have the third one. We have here true or false, okay?
Mhm. Okay.
So please tell whether the statement is true or false. Let's start with number one.
Okay.
The article says there is good news for all beverage lovers. Is it true
Oh,
or false?
it's false.
It is false. Yeah, you
Mm.
didn't say that way, right? So it's false.
Mm.
Okay, very good. How about number two? Research suggests coffee can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Is it true or
It's
false?
yeah, it's true.
It is true.
True.
Yeah, we have read that. Okay, please read number
Mm.
three this time.
Okay. The article says many reports in the past have said coffee is bad for us. It's
It's
false.
false, right? Yeah, it's false. Okay, good job. Number four, a researcher said it is still unclear why coffee is good for us.
Mm. It's true.
It's true. Okay, still unclear. All right.
Mm.
Okay, and the last one, please read the last one with your answer.
Okay. Researchers say that cream added to coffee is good for us. It's
It's
false.
false, right? It's
Mm.
better to have black coffee.
Mm.
Do you like black coffee?
Yes, I like
Oh, wow. Um, I don't like it. Yeah, I'm always using creamer, and
it.
sugar, which is not good, right? It's not good.
Yeah.
They said it's a lot better to have black coffee. So I admire you. I'm jealous with you because you like black
Yes.
coffee and it's
Thank you
a
so
lot better.
much.
Good job for that. Wow. So it's healthy. Your coffee is healthy. Very good.
Yes.
All right. Let's have number four, discussion number one. So you're going to answer the following questions freely, okay? It
Okay.
means by your own words. Okay,
Mm.
so number one,
Mm.
how important is coffee in your life? Mm. How
It's
is a
important.
day with you without coffee?
I'm always sleepy.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, it's true. It's true, true. I can
Mm.
experience that.
Yes.
It's very difficult.
Mm.
Yeah. Uh,
Yes.
I can't even start my job without coffee.
Okay, especially after lunch.
Ah, yes. After lunch, yeah.
Mhm.
True. After
Mhm.
eating lunch, I want to drink
Mm.
coffee.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly.
And while working here, let's say
Mm.
I
Mm.
got, let's say I have two classes, I want
Mm.
another
Mhm.
coffee. Yes, because I would be sleepy, you know.
Why?
Yeah, yeah. It's because you're alone in this cubicle, so
Ah, I
you have no one to
see.
talk to, so
Mm,
you really feel
mm.
sleepy.
Okay, I see.
Yes. All right,
Mm.
let's have the next. So, why is coffee so important around the world? Mhm.
Around the
Around the
world.
world.
Around the
Oh,
world.
I don't know that it's around the world.
World.
I thought it's only here in the Philippines and in Japan. Yeah. Why do you think it's important around the world?
Important. Ah,
Mm,
tastes good. It
mhm,
tastes good. Mm. Important.
mhm.
Mm. Mm. Mhm.
Is it really important? Yeah, for me, it's important.
Also,
Yeah,
it's for me, it's
yeah, it's
important,
important.
but I don't know about the
How,
world.
yeah, how about how about the rest? All right. I mean,
Mm.
very tough question, right? Confusing. It's
Yes.
confusing.
To say,
Yeah, why is coffee so
yeah.
important around the world?
Maybe the
Mm,
article said about agriculture,
mm.
producer of coffee, not.
Yeah, why do you think?
Uh, mm, the coffee
Mhm.
is made in poor country.
Made in poor country? Poor
Tree,
country.
maybe.
Oh,
Mm,
poor
mm,
country.
mm. Hard, hard.
So it helps them grow their economy. Is that right?
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
so yeah. Yeah,
Mm,
probably, yeah.
mm,
It helps them grow their economy.
mm.
Yes, but
Too bad.
more importantly, in general, we say that
Mm,
the health benefit, right? The health
mm,
benefit,
mm,
yes, the health benefit is important for
mm,
everybody. So, for example,
mm,
if it's really, really, really true that coffee has
mm,
very powerful health
mm,
benefits,
mm,
so
mm,
other people who are not drinking coffee miss the
mm,
benefits, right? They miss the
mm,
benefit.
mm, mm, mm,
Yeah.
mm,
So not with us because we are coffee
mm, mm,
drinkers.
mm.
So we're good. All right, how about the third question? Okay,
Mm.
please read the third question.
Is it the government encourage people to drink coffee? No,
Mm.
no, no.
What do you think?
No,
No, no need,
I
right?
don't agree. Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm,
okay. How about number four?
mm. Coffee shops and cafes. What do you think of coffee shops and cafes?
Yes, what do
I
you think?
like cafes.
Oh, really? Yes.
Yes, Starbucks coffee.
Starbucks. Oh, do you
Coffee.
always go
Yeah.
there? Oh,
Yes,
wow.
yesterday I went to
Oh, really?
there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is it a date?
No, unfortunately, no.
Not. Okay. Just by yourself.
Yes.
Okay. Just for health purposes. Okay.
Okay.
Next time it should be for a date.
Yes, I hope
Oh,
so.
that's nice. All right.
Mm.
Let's